Hi guys, welcome back to Alex Tour Reviews.
We don't have very good lighting
Sorry,
because we have an umbrella.
it's really hot outside, that's why. Today's video is going to be another welding video. It's the same day that we did a Vito Pro Pack video. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check that out. So we're gonna start off teaching you how to start up a welder. Okay, so as you know, first you plug it in. Now, if you got rusty metal like that, I would turn it up kind of like 65, maybe 70 amps. If it's like nice metal, then maybe around 35. I just keep it at this because that's how I like to use it. So, now, for the ground clamp, I recommend clamping it into the piece of work first. It doesn't really make a difference. I just like to. Okay, so, and if you got rusty metal, you gotta sand off a little spot like that. Flip it down. Now take the ground clamp. Well, not the ground, sorry. Take the, this, I don't know what this is. I guess the lead holder. And you take it, make sure it's the same wire. And you put it in plus. So there's minus up here. And you put this one in plus. Tighten it down real snug. Then you take the ground, put it in your minus. Tighten it down snug. Okay, now I'm going to keep these away from each other, and you turn on your welder. Now it might take a second, and it kicks on. First time I tried it, tripped the breaker, but not right now. And then you put it on. Then, if you want, you can put on a mask. I'm just gonna wear a mask. A little better. Put on your welding mask.
You can actually open the flap also, Elliot.
Hey, where's my welding rod? Oh, there.
You can open the flap on the mask.
I know, but this is easier.
Yeah, you're right.
Take a welding rod.
Sorry guys, we don't have the editing software to put subtitles in, so all he said was take a welding rod if you can't understand what he's saying with the mask on.
You put on your gloves?
You put on your gloves.
Now, Adrian, mask up?
Mask down, you mean?
Well, for you, it's mask up.
Yeah, whatever. Mask on.
Okay.
Just let me get this.
Aren't you meant to be a little farther away?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay, and then you can start.
Alrighty.
Wait, I just put the ground clamp isn't on that side.
Wait, maybe I'll get a bit farther away. Crap. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
So, you have your mask on, Adrian?
Yep. So are we melding scrap onto scrap? Mask down?
Yeah.
Or mask up, whatever. For me, it's mask down.
Now that was a pretty good bead. Pretty steady.
There, fully zoomed in. That's the perfect shot, fully zoomed in.
So,
So, are we gonna weld scrap onto crap? Scrap onto crap? Get it?
I mean, last time I didn't do very good. See, I was practicing a little. This was welded right onto here. Where this came up.
That's okay though. We're just doing like maybe the title will probably be Welding P.2 Part 2 setup and demo.
Okay, so what we could do, try to weld this onto here, even though it's kind of messed up and screwed up right there. Like, I tried to weld it kind of like that. On there. I was using a clamp, but I actually welded the clamp onto there. I had to use pliers to get it off.
Oh crap.
So let's just try to do another bead. And I'm going to do it over here just to demonstrate some, like, what happens to the bead if you do it on, like, some rusty, crappy metal with some concrete and paint on it.
Alright. Mask up or slash down. Mask in front of your face. Alright, let's see. I am not able to watch the footage until the end, so yeah.
Now, let's just clean it up a little something here to sprinkle some water on there. I don't know. Thought I had a little fish. Now that is what I call boiling water. Okay, so that piece, we're going to let that cool down. We'll put it away to the side. And rolled on this piece. So this is going to be like kind of, if you just have to weld straight bead on such short little areas. Is it still warm? Yeah. Okay, so let's clamp this on there. Okay, so take our lead. Mask down.
Mask down.
Oh, that was a really good bead.
Masked up? Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, it does look nice. As you can see right down, oh, sorry, my finger, sorry. The device is too hot. Device is too hot. Device is too hot.
What? What?
It keeps giving me a notification. Device is too hot. I gotta cover it.
What's the device?
My phone is too hot.
Oh, maybe it shouldn't be
Flash
looking at
is
this.
turned off. No, I think the device is too hot because of the sun. Because if I feel this surface, it's burning the screen. So I think we should probably wrap it up.
Okay, well, thank you for watching Elliot's tour reviews. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye guys. Adios. Bye.